Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Prometheus on Debian Linux. First open terminal, update the packages, sudo apt update all packages are up to date. Now install Prometheus, sudo apt install Prometheus. It is type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. Verify the status of the Prometheus service. Sudo systemctl status Prometheus. See, Prometheus service is running and it is enabled. Q to quit, Ctrl L to clear screen. Now open any web browser. Then give the local host and give the port number 9090. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected Prometheus. If you want to create alerts, you have to click on alerts. If you want to see the graphs, you have to. If you want to see the status, you have to click on status. In the status, see here we have the runtime, build information, command line flags, configuration, rules, targets, and service discovery. And last option that I am going to show you how to start and restart Prometheus on Debian Linux. Sudo systemctl stop Prometheus. Now try to reload this page again. See, unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start Prometheus. Now reload the page again. See, we are able to connect. Okay. Now we will see the last command, how to restart the Prometheus server. Sudo systemctl restart Prometheus. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Prometheus on Debian Linux. For more Prometheus or Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.